Hi, this is a demonstration video to tell you how to install your Poppy case on your iPhone. So this is an iPhone XS Max, and here we are going to install Poppy case on this iPhone XS Max. So it's hand colored leather Indian pink ullu Poppy case, which comes with a goodie inside. So it's like you get screen protectors. Inside you have a mini booklet and a screen protector, microfiber, and an applicator. So we'll keep this aside, we don't need it right now. So first we need to apply this snap-on case with the cutout here on your iPhone XS Max. So gently slide in your iPhone XS Max from the button side so that you don't break your bridge here, right? So we'll slide it this way. Perfect. So that's working fine. Now,
경고, 추가 정보 버튼.
oh, please ignore, sorry. Now we'll take this pop socket and peel off the DST sheet on the back of it. So this way and this way. Now align your ullu logo vertically. And please take care that the surface of your phone is clean before you apply this, right? So as you can see, it is fixed now. Just to show you, press it again. Now you can see that it is fixed, and right, now you get a hanger with this pop socket case. So it's totally up to you if you want to use this hanger or not. So hanger is like you can stick this hanger in the same way, just peel it off and stick it on a smooth surface. For example, I'm going to stick it here. Now it's fixed, right? And if you want, while working or while driving or something like that, you can just hang your phone, push your pop socket out, and just you can keep your phone like that.